Mastering Machine Handling, a comprehensive guide. Hello, and welcome to today's learning session. We're diving into an intriguing phrase, machine handling. This term is vital in various industries, and understanding it will not only enhance your vocabulary but also give you insight into how different sectors operate. Let's unfold the layers of machine handling together. Machine handling refers to the skills and techniques used in operating, controlling, and maintaining machines effectively and safely. It's not just about using the machine, but also understanding its mechanics, being aware of safety protocols, and ensuring that the machine is used to its fullest potential while minimizing risks. Proper machine handling is crucial for several reasons. Safety. Incorrect handling can lead to accidents and injuries. Efficiency. Correct use ensures that the machine operates at optimal performance, saving time and resources. Maintenance. Good handling includes regular checks and maintenance, prolonging the machine's lifespan. Different industries have specific machines and handling requirements. Here are a few examples. Manufacturing. Precision and speed are key in handling machinery for production lines. Healthcare. Handling medical equipment requires accuracy and a high level of sanitization. Agriculture. Machines like tractors and harvesters need to be handled with knowledge of the terrain and crop type. To master machine handling, consider the following tips. 1. Understand the manual. Knowing the machine's functions and limitations is foundational. 2. Regular maintenance. Keep the machine in top shape to prevent malfunctions. 3. Stay updated. Machinery evolves, and so should your handling skills. Continuous learning is crucial. Machine handling is more than just operating machinery. It's about mastering it with skill, knowledge, and care. Whether you're in manufacturing, healthcare, or any other field, honing your machine handling skills is invaluable. We hope this guide helps you on your journey to becoming proficient in machine handling. Keep learning, and stay safe.